How to add a print slide trigger in Articulate Storyline 360. To enable a print slide trigger, start by clicking on the Create New Slide Trigger button. In the Trigger Wizard, select the Print Slide action. Ensuring the target slide is this slide. This action will activate when the user clicks on the Print button. Let's examine how this trigger functions. This trigger should be applied to each slide to enable printing. Alternatively, there's an alternative method. Go to Player Properties located at the top of the ribbon. In the Player tab section, click on the Add New Tab button and name it Print Slide. Set the action to Print Slide and specify the target slide as the current one. Click OK. And now you can print any slide.